Hey, what's up, Internet? Okay, so an APEC, top tier, built in the USA, ultra safe, premium, 5-stage reverse osmosis drinking water filter system, ROES50. Product review.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand.
Let's start with an unbox. My APEC system came in the mail from Amazon.com. Essentially, it came in 2 boxes, as Amazon likes to do for some reason. It arrived quickly. I spent about $200, and shipping was included. If you want to see what I bought, you can click the eye in the corner of the screen or the link in the description below. What did it come with? It came with the filters, a faucet, a bag of hardware, a filter wrench, and the tank with a little plastic tank stand. Ooh, look at all that good stuff. Also, it came with manuals and stuff. So shiny. The filters are easy to assemble. They're packaged well, and in order to get it what? The order in which you tighten the filters is specific. You can see here, you got to do one, then the other, then the other. I had to remove one of the filters to tighten the middle one, essentially. Well, better read the manual some more. The hoses that it comes with are color-coded. That's nice. There's also some assembly needed regarding the tank with this valve that goes on the top and the yellow hose that it attaches to. Attaches to it? I don't know who's the whom. It goes on smoothly. Later, I find that it leaks and I have to tighten it down more. Oh yeah, if you didn't see, the Teflon tape comes with the kit. Not too shabby, APEC. I'm glad to see that $200 gets you 10 cents worth of Teflon tape. Someone in your guy's office cares about those who receive these kits. That's cool. Gosh, that would be a pain in the butt having to go scrape up some Teflon tape if you didn't have any. Okay, installation. Let's do some installation. First, I started with the drain by drilling the hole and then putting the clamp on. It connects the drain hose to the portion of the filter. I don't know why it drains, but it does. The clamp has this rubber gasket deal to prevent it from leaking. That's nice. Then I got the T-fitting valve deal and attached the hose to it. I used Teflon tape where I could. Nice. The compression fittings for the hose are stiff and a little difficult to deal with, but that's how plumbing goes sometimes. Then I installed the valve onto my cold water inlet that goes to the sink. Now, this was not easy because pipes, and hoses, and cabinet, they're all crowding the place. There were several different adapters that came with the kit, so that if you have like a little bit different of a situation, you should have what you need with this kit. After that, I decided to put in the faucet. It looks like the current faucet I have. Is that cool? But it's just a little version. Kind of cool how that worked out. This too was a pain though because of the physical space. My back was up against the bottom of the edge of the cabinet and it was not very comfortable. Perhaps I could have used a towel or a pillow as padding. I think I used a towel. Gosh, it's been a while. Now for the good stuff. I put in the filter cluster, the filter array. The what? What is it? Oh yeah, what is this thing called? Filter? System. Duh. It's got these rubber inserts where you'll be connecting hoses. That's cool. And they come out easily. The drain hose was easy to connect. Just simple. The water inlet hose just pressed in. The tank hose as well, just pressed in. So after that, I just turned on the water and boom, I was in business. The thing gurgled a bit. Actually, like quite a bit. I'm unfamiliar with the more specific physics behind the reasoning for the tank, but it appears to have some sort of reserve pressure qualities so that when you open the faucet, there's water like ready to go to the tap. There were no leaks essentially. However, the tank valve fitting, it leaked after just a little while, and I ended up just tightening it several more turns. It's kind of cool how you can see the water going through the tubes. Ooh, tubes. Okay, so check out the first initial run of the filter, and please pardon the mess in the sink. Yes, but look at all that carbon. So if you're familiar with filters, you've seen this before. All the way down to your Brita filters that you put in a pitcher that you can buy, and then you like put that in the fridge. Or even like the filters that you can put on the garden hose that then goes to your RV. You get the same thing. It's just a carbon. It's just like bleh, carbon. So yes, this is normal. All right, so I ended up running the filter a fair amount until the water started coming out with a lower reading on this device that shows you numbers of parts per million of things in the water, of total dissolved solids. After a short while, the readings were very low. I was happy with the 001. Very cool. Okay, let's do some pros and cons. Pro, it's fairly inexpensive compared to other brands that you could buy. Con, it's fairly expensive compared to basic systems. Pro, it's the faucet that looks, and it comes with one. Why is that a pro? Con, you need to have another hole cut out in your countertop. If you don't already have one cut out for like soap dispenser like I did, this could be a larger pain in the derriere than I have shown in this video. Pro, the clean water. Duh. I am used to the pitcher type filters and having to just wait. Yeah, and so this one you don't have to wait. Con, you could essentially run out of water if, gosh, how do I explain this? So it has a gallons per day rating, and the tank helps keep the water at the ready. So if you wanted to say fill up like a 5-gallon jug of water, you may be seeing yourself running low at about the 4-gallon mark and having to wait a few hours before you get more filtered water. It's just this tank. And it's slow, like it's a slow filter, and it slowly fills the tank, and the tank lets the water come out the hole that the faucet has in it. On it? What am I? Bro, you can hook it up into a fridge, and then your fridge has the water for like if it's got an ice dispenser or the water dispenser on it. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. That's enough pros and cons. That's enough. Is it good or is it bad? You decide after I decide. Overall, this is a great filter. I've been using it for over a month now, and it's working great. I highly recommend getting a filter for your water if you don't already have a filter for your water. What is in your water? Do you know? You can buy test kits online and see what's in your water. It's good to know and address any problems in advance when there's problems with your water. Once again, I bought this system for about $200. Bought it with my own money, so no one's giving it to me to review. I'm just trying to help you have a better idea of what to expect if you buy one of these water systems from APEC. Let me say the name again. APEC top tier built in the USA ultra safe premium 5-stage reverse osmosis drinking water filter system, ROES50. So if you want to get that, now you know more about it. If you like this video, there's a button for that. If you want to see more videos like it, there's a button for that. And if you're just bored, cruise the channel, there might find some more stuff to see. I hope that helped. See you later, Internet.